Hey guys, it's Shamsa and welcome back to my channel. Now the recipe that I'm going to share with you all today is my simple chicken gravy recipe using chicken drippings. This recipe is absolutely amazing. You're going to love this and you'll never ever make your chicken gravy any other way. So let me run through what you need and then we'll start cooking. Okay, so to make the gravy, you're going to need the drippings from the chicken that you've roasted. I've got 2 cups using my standard cup measurement of boiled kettle water. I've got salt and pepper to taste. I've got roughly 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter, the same of plain flour, and I've got 2 chicken stock cubes here. Now, first of all, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take my stock cubes and just pop them into my hot water to dissolve. And just set that aside. And now to show you how to make the gravy. So we're going to start first of all by getting our pan slightly warm, and we're going to add our butter into that and allow it to melt down completely. So once the butter's melted, add the flour straight in. And we're going to cook this for about 2 minutes until the rawness of the flour goes away. Now after 2 minutes of cooking this, I'm going to use my whisk, and my stock cubes have dissolved really nicely in my hot water, so the chicken stock is ready, and I'm just going to add this in little by little and just keep whisking until it thickens up and gives me a really nice thick gravy. Just going to add all of that in now, and we're also going to add the drippings from the chicken that we cooked earlier straight in like that, and turn the heat settings to a high, and we're just going to whisk this and allow it to come up to the boil, and we're going to cook it for approximately 3 to 4 minutes on high heat, and you know, have it to however desired sort of like consistency that you like it at, and I'll show you once it's done. So guys, 5 minutes later, and this is how it's looking. It's thickened up slightly. I'm just going to check the seasoning. Probably needs just a little bit of salt and a bit of pepper. So that's the pepper, and that should be perfect. And I'm going to turn the hob off, give it one more final mix, and that is the perfect consistency how I like mine. Now if you wanted it slightly more thicker, just cook it down a bit more. If you want it slightly runny, just add a bit more water into it and just loosen it up a little bit. Right guys, my gravy is ready, and I'm just going to transfer it straight to my gravy boat, just like that. Perfect. So there you have it guys, my chicken gravy made using chicken drippings, all ready and served up in my gravy boat. Right guys, here is my chicken gravy all ready. Now I hope you've enjoyed watching this video and you found it useful. If it has helped you, then do give it a thumbs up. Also don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done already, and hit that bell notification to never ever miss a new video. I'll be back again with another one very soon. Till then, take care and happy eating.